Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Steam application. So let's get started right away. Now, if you wish to delete your account on Steam, you may do this from the Steam application as well as your web browser. Open up the application if you already have it on your device and make sure that you are logged in to the account that you actually want to delete. You can change your account by clicking on the Steam option at the top left corner and then clicking on Change Account. After selecting your account, proceed forward with your email address and your password, and after logging in, you will be taken into the Steam store page. Now, in order to delete your account, click on your user ID at the top right corner and then click on Account Details. Now, within the Account Details page, just scroll down and you will see the Delete My Steam Account option. Go ahead and click on this, and you will first need to verify that you are actually the owner of this account. For this, you will need to enter the verification code that will be sent to your email address. After this process has completed, you can provide your final confirmation and you will be logged out from your account, and it will be scheduled for deletion in 30 days. So if you change your mind, you can log back into your account once again before 30 days has passed, and your account will be recoverable. Click on Proceed to Account Deletion to start this process, and after you have been logged out from your account will be scheduled for deletion. So make sure to not log back in for another 30 days in order to make this a permanent deletion. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on Steam. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.